Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to create a program that will ask a value in grams and then it can convert into kilograms weight value using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so I'm using PyCharm Community Edition and Zorin Linux. So we have here the title, grams to kilograms in Pythons. So we have here asking the value in grams that will be stored in our variable grams, kilograms, grams divided by 1000. So we have here to display the grams equivalent, percent to, and kilograms, so percent, grams, kilograms, new line, end of program, which inform the user that the program has been ended, new line here. So let us right click and then run our program. Okay, our program is right now is running, no? Give kilograms value, let's say 5,000 grams. 5,000 grams is equivalent to 5 kilograms and a program. Another example, let's say 3,400. So 3,400 grams is equivalent to 3.40 grams and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on grams to kilograms in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. This is see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.